Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the most overlooked yet essential parts of meal planning: snack prep and healthy treats. Snacking gets a bad reputation, but when done right, it keeps your energy stable, curbs cravings, and supports your goals. The secret is preparation. Let's start with why snacks matter. Going too long between meals can cause dips in blood sugar, fatigue, and overeating later. Smart snacks bridge the gap between meals and help you stay in control. Step 1. Plan your snacks like meals. Don't leave them to chance. Choose 2 to 3 healthy snack options each week and prep them ahead of time. This way, you'll always have something ready when hunger hits. Step 2. Balance your snacks. The best snacks include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combo keeps you full and focused. A few easy examples: apple slices with peanut butter, Greek yogurt with berries, or hummus with veggies. Step 3. Portion your snacks in advance. Pre-portion nuts, trail mix, or energy bites into small containers or reusable bags. This prevents mindless munching straight from the bag and helps you eat just the right amount. Step 4. Make grab-and-go options. Keep your fridge and pantry stocked with ready-to-eat snacks. In the fridge, have boiled eggs, cheese sticks, cut-up fruit, and pre-washed veggies. In the pantry, keep air-popped popcorn, rice cakes, and whole grain crackers. Step 5. Try homemade protein snacks. You can make energy bites by mixing oats, nut butter, honey, and protein powder, no baking required, or make your own granola bars with seeds, nuts, and a touch of dark chocolate for sweetness. Step 6. Keep treats healthy. You don't have to give up desserts to eat well. Just make them smarter. For example, swap refined sugar for natural sweeteners like honey, dates, or maple syrup. Try banana ice cream made from frozen bananas blended with a splash of milk, or Greek yogurt parfaits layered with fruit and granola. Step 7. Prep smoothies for when you're short on time. Freeze portions of fruit, greens, and protein powder in small bags. In the morning, blend them with water or milk for a nutrient-packed snack or light meal. Step 8. Stay hydrated. Sometimes what feels like hunger is actually thirst. Keep a water bottle with you and flavor your water with lemon, mint, or cucumber to make it more enjoyable. Step 9. Plan indulgent moments intentionally. It's okay to enjoy a cookie or chocolate, just do it mindfully. When you plan treats instead of eating impulsively, you stay in control without guilt. Step 10. Rotate your snacks to avoid boredom. Change your combinations weekly. Maybe yogurt and berries one week, roasted chickpeas and trail mix the next. Variety keeps your diet satisfying and sustainable. Bonus tip: keep emergency snacks handy. Store shelf-stable options like protein bars or nut packs in your car, bag, or desk drawer for those unpredictable moments. Here's your quick recap. Plan your snacks, balance protein and fiber, portion in advance, and keep healthy options visible and easy to grab. Treat yourself mindfully and hydrate regularly. When you make snack prep part of your routine, you'll find that eating healthy becomes effortless and enjoyable. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to simplify meal prep even further with kitchen hacks and batch prep tricks that save you time every week. Let's keep fueling your success one snack at a time.